welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Company registration in Cambodia. Registering company in Cambodia. In Cambodia, all business and commercial enterprises must be registered at least 15 days prior to the commencement of business activities with the Ministry of Commerce. Each entity is deemed to exist on the date of a certificate of incorporation issued by the Ministry of Commerce. In Cambodia, for company registration, numerous requirements have been reduced. With this, company incorporation process has become much easier. Here are the following forms of business entities in Cambodia: Limited Liability Company, Branch Office, Representative Office, Partnership, and Sole Proprietorship. There are three types of limited companies: single member private limited company, private limited company, and public limited company. Partnership may take the form of a journal or limited partnership. Procedure of company registration in Cambodia. First step is depositing initial capital into the bank. Second, verify business name for uniqueness and obtain name approval from Business Registration Department. 3. Following documents are required to be submitted with the name application. These documents are: 1 copy of the application of review, 3 copies for the application submitted in the commercial registry for enterprise name registration, 3 copies of passport or your ID card, 3 photos of the sole owner, 1 copy of the payment fee receipt. Preparation of articles of association and memorandum. After this, articles of association and memorandum should be prepared. This should be consistent with the regulations, applicable laws, and standards set by the Ministry of Commerce. These documents must be submitted in 3 sets along with the original copies and requirements. Following information must be contained in the articles of association and memorandum: corporate form, company name, business objectives, duration of the company, registered office, etc. Usually this step takes around 3 weeks and comes with an associated cost of $420. Company seal. The next step is company seal will be issued, and within 1 day registration certification by the Cambodian Ministry of Commerce. Get registered for TIN, VAT, and patent tax. First, get all the required documents such as articles of association and memorandum, the letter of approval by the Ministry of Commerce, and the certificate of incorporation stamped by one of the tax departments to register for patent, TIN, or VAT tax. This process takes 30 days. Provide a notification to the Ministry of Labour. A declaration must be submitted in written form to Cambodian's Labour Ministry before starting operation in Cambodia. This will include the following: announcing company registration with the Labour Ministry, staff declaration, internal regulation development, filling employment contracts, and registration with the NSSF. Usually these steps takes a month. Ensure that you receive inspection. After the completion of all the steps and ensuring that all paperwork is completed and submitted timely with the right person. Following information must be contained in the articles of association and memorandum: corporate form, company name, business objectives, duration of the company, registered office, etc. Further resources on setting up a company in Cambodia: Journal Department of Taxation, Ministry of Commerce, that is Business Registration Portal, National Social Security Fund, Ministry of Labour and Vocational Training. Public Limited Company or Foreign Company Branch and Representative Office. To register a company with business registration, you will need to be logged on as a registered user of the website. From the online services, choose companies and then choose incorporate a private limited company or incorporate a public limited company. Step 1. Journal information. For partnerships, journal partnership or limited partnership. Step 1 is journal information, which includes proposed name, business activities, and number of employees. Step 2 addresses and contract information. Step 3 partner information. Step 4 manager information. Thank you.